Alright, we're back at the shop. We were gone for a week. Came back. I'm filming on the GoPro. Not a lot of cars out there right now. There will be though. What's up, Mike?
What's up, man? YouTube man?
Just trying out the GoPro, pal.
Alright.
How's she looking over here?
It's pretty sad, man. BMW dealers never have the parts in stock.
Yeah, they do. Sometimes they do.
Sometimes, but most of the time.
They'll have an oil filter in stock. This thing's still sitting here. Just going through the wiring. Getting rid of his trash wiring.
Trash wire? Oh,
yeah. We got rid of these things. The old split second.
Whoa.
And the JB4. And we're putting a reflex there. I had to extend these wires for the throttle. And this guy. And another one somewhere. Right here.
Yeah, go down to reverse. Open the door. Neutral.
Alright, base cleared out. Ready for an oil change. Oh.
Big water pump leak over here. 20,000 miles. Not good.
Not good. 20,000 miles on the B58 Gen 2.
I got some pictures.
She's leaking. Yeah, we'll put some pictures in there.
I inserted the picture.
Yeah.
Ocean's in the reset.
Yeah, it was just a quick oil change.
Quick oil change. Turned out to be a nightmare.
But he's under warranty, so
So maybe they will change it.
yeah, maybe Beam will change it.
Henry,
Yeah, buddy.
Color sick.
What'd you say?
you brought me the tablets.
Oh yeah. What do you have? What are you trying in there?
I used the mirror link, but it doesn't let me do the key passing.
Pretty good looking car here. You can lock it more. You're good.
Yeah.
She sounds interesting.
It's, yeah.
Alright, what year is this thing?
08.
We're in a 08 335 automatic. What'd you just put on your car?
The N54 JB Plus.
The JB Plus. I've personally never seen them, but we'll see how she goes. It's definitely a unique sound to this N54 here. I've never heard one quite like it.
Resonatorless straight pipe,
Yeah. And with the cats, right?
and with no secondary cat. Resonatorless, mufflerless, catless, secondary catless.
But you have the downpipe cats.
The downpipe cat still. I mean, now with the extra 3 pounds, my crackhead ass wants to push all 5. I mean, it's funny.
Yeah.
All of the forums, like the E90 or the Beamer post forums, were saying it's they called it the introductory crack into tuning. It's like once you get the taste of like 60, 70 more wheel horsepower, it's like there's no going back.
Yeah.
You don't stand a chance. All of your money will soon be into the car and tune. It's like
It's hitting the target. Does it feel any faster?
it does feel a little bit heavier.
Just a little bit. these tires on here?
Middle of the road. I got them like 9 months ago.
Yeah.
And I finally felt them lose a little grip in the water. I was like,
What kind are they?
some fucking linglongs, baby.
Oh, are they really? Yeah.
Oh, God. With what?
Mike's gonna come see this JB Plus.
I heard there's like a JB4 out here or something. Oh man.
I mean, it sounds that much better just from the turbo spooling the extra 2-3 pounds of boost alone. So it's like, I mean, I gotta see what 5 is like now, man. Come on.
Where you guys got this at?
Oh, we gotta get
It's
in there.
just easier to get
Oh,
to
I
the...
forgot the zip. Did you cut the zip tie off?
No, I need
Yeah,
to
right.
get fucking... I mean, I got a knife, but I don't know if it'll be as good as just the old...
We'll use the zip tie.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Well, it's like, it's a...
So what? It's like 13 pounds or what? How
Yeah,
can you guys
Also
read it?
11, but we can't really read it because it's messing up
This
the...
thing, so what it does is creates a bridge on the MAF airflow sensor on the charge pipe, so it like hijacks the freaking signal and tells the car it's not making as much boost as it is. So if like the car is targeting 8, it'll tell it it's only making 3 to make 5 extra pounds of boost.
Yeah, a little JB4 action.
The JB Plus actually.
JB
Plus. I'm sorry. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
So, do you got the
left.
screwdriver?
Yeah, here, let me just...
Oh, this
I'm
is
so
what we're using?
fascinated.
Yeah.
I know, I've never seen one of these all the years.
No.
Right?
It's pretty cool.
They came out right like in 09. Fucking, they've been out forever.
Alright.
What you got there? Damn, dude.
The Craftsman Leatherman,
Pocket
dog.
tool.
I got like 23 tools in one right here, baby.
She looks pretty bone stock, man.
I know, the charge pipe.
The charge pipe
You
stock.
lost the screw, Mike.
That might be blow. Oh no.
Oh,
Alright.
no.
Got a first fatality here.
Oh no.
The screw, the little black screw.
Little black
of
screw.
course it's black.
What's in that thing, man?
We got the,
Oh,
The
jeez.
motherboard.
pop the little doohickey mabob out.
It's the mothership.
And then we
Mothership.
just turn that boost dial all the way to the right.
Turn it? Yeah. Oh, you got it?
She's all the way.
Alright, she's all the way up.
Yeah, baby, of course.
Screw her back in. Let's see how she does.
That's sick, dude. It's low-key kind of cool, but
But high key, kind of.
Kind of
sus,
scary.
yeah.
Kind of scary a little bit, but
This is not recommended. We did not recommend this to him. Just getting that out there.
I did this under my own will, my own money.
Thank you. Let's see. Well, what should that turn it up to then?
About 13 is the...
13?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not bad. You think we'll take it off after this?
Oh no. How are these turbos, man?
They're rattling.
No bueno.
Are they pretty loud?
Yeah. I mean, it sounds... I mean, this is what it sounds like when you let off the gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty close.
Come on, you stupid come here.
I don't know if we can.
Gonna have to bleep that out, pal.
Big blip.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Here, give us a round one, check.
Oh my god!
Hell yeah.
It feels a lot. I mean, it feels a lot better than stock.
Yeah, just nothing crazy, but
Right. The difference between the before, the last test drive, and this one isn't crazy. I feel like I can tell a little difference,
yeah.
but it's the difference between stock and this thing. It's a large difference. Oh my
We got, do you have another battery for this?
Yes.
Alright. What's up, Tay-Tay?
What up?
Where for his girlfriend?
I don't think, is your girl back from Brazil, Mike?
No.
No, she's still in Brazil.
I'm probably gonna get Trail Yard Burger then.
Hell
Trail Yard
yeah.
Burger.
Why don't you get the tacos? They're right up the street.
Where's it at?
Where we went in your car, the crank bolt came out.
Oh yeah, I don't like that place.
Bad vibes.
No, it's just not good.
It wasn't that great, no.
Yeah.
But the tacos were $2
And it does
today.
remind me of my TI breaking down. So
Yeah.
it wasn't. We got the engine one out.
So big oil change here.
Oh.
Mike's getting right into her.
Look at the custom tools.
So where'd you just go? Where has this thing been? How many miles are on this oil change that we just
I don't
did?
know,
I
I feel
felt
like
like
2,000.
2,000 only?
Say.
Why are we
2,500?
changing it again?
Because I'm just on top of my shit.
All right.
That's too.
I
People
mean-
say well maintained. It is
Well
maintained,
maintained.
and you can't put a price on a peace of mind.
Hell yeah. I
Especially
mean, you
when
did go to
driving.
2 tracks, right?
Yeah, and I'm driving back to Miami.
Going back
Oh,
to Miami.
Miami? Yeah.
For what?
For racing.
Mike,
Oh.
did you not just listen to the story?
My guy.
Yeah, he
I'm the
is.
owner.
Mike, does he get the tattoo
filters,
discount?
What?
Does he get the tattoo oil change discount?
Tattoo discount? What's that?
The tattoo discount. It's not finished yet. Shout out to
All I
Thomas.
see is
Shout out to Thomas. Stop right there. Alright, we got the mothership in here, baby. O-Stock's driving it. He took his sweet ass time getting it in the bay here. It's got snow on it.
Rough to turn because the fucking wheels.
Yeah, the wheels
no
are
air.
flat.
I was like, what the fuck? Just charge it. Yeah.
What do we got here, Osen?
750 V12.
V12
Misfiring like a
750
motherfucker.
97. Misfiring like a motherfucker.
We're gonna bring it back to life.
But we're gonna bring it back to life. What are we doing about the bumper is?
We're pretty fine for a new one, but back order Germany, no ETA. God
Yeah.
knows when they'll be here, so not much we can do there.
I think it's leaking right out the valve cover, buddies.
Right out the valve cover, Mike.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. We're just gonna take the whole intake off and the valve covers, redo the valve covers. He's got a $5,000 budget, but we still need to budget in this bumper, which is not gonna be cheap. Couple leaks everywhere, yeah. Seems like the valve cover kind of nuts.
Intake maybe.
Yeah, and we'll redo the intake while we're at it, so I think she'll be running top notch after this.
Top notch.
Alright, we're trying to get this intake off, but we need to get this plastic piece off. And it seems like it slides back with a couple tabs there. Mike, can you show us what you did to slide this out?
So you gotta take this harness off of here so you can squeeze it around.
Squeeze her in.
Yeah, the fuel rails.
Alright.
Fuel rails, over fuel rails.
Oh, there.
Around those clips.
Just trying to squeeze them out of here.
Yeah, these
Was it
little bits.
easy after that?
It was pretty easy.
I really wasn't paying attention, so.
Level wasn't easy.
But now he's trying to get the bolts, the nuts out for the intake. Is that easy?
It's not very easy. We're
Alright.
experimenting.
Mike got one side loose, but we're pretty sure you gotta take both sides loose and take it out as a whole. But what's gonna happen to this stuff? I guess we just lift her up. Oh, it's right over here. Alright, well these do come out separately. I yanked her out a little bit. Did a little wiggle on her. She came out.
wiggle.
But
crazy.
yeah, no, nothing crazy. But there's a little hose under here with the safety clamp on it. Always a pain. Mike's gonna get that undone, and we'll get the other one undone.
Oh, Knoxon's is not available. So Mulkey, they're $57.
But they're not available.
I don't know what the phone is. On SCP is $131.
Those bolts still in.
Holy shit, just one big valve?
Yeah, one big valve. Now we got it freed up pretty good. We can tackle the valve covers. All these fuel lines. Oh, this one looks pretty sad. Whoa, yeah, definitely replace this bad boy. What else, Mike? What else are you seeing? Got a stand for that. I like that. I like that.
The fuel lines were all loose.
Definitely need the fuel lines. But I think we found a lot of problems. I hope. I mean, we found a lot of problems. These knock sensors, I know they make it run bad.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
What's up, Mike?
The frame.
Oh, the frame's bent? Oh, no.
This car's not worth it.
Knock sensor, $98 each.
A piece.
Alright,
Woo!
Need 04 order to come in Thursday.
Yeah,
We're gonna need a deposit on this one.
we're gonna need a
It's like
deposit.
every single part's 100 plus.
Yes.
Yeah. And we need 16 of them.
coils, these two, they're also $95 each.
Alright.
And then what
Can
else?
you add all these parts up
Yes.
onto the quote and then I can
Yes.
send it to him?
No problem. I'm doing it right now.
Alright. I did get this alternator cleaned today. Big steps. Not the best, but you don't want to clean it too much and get dirt in there. So I just vacuumed around it when I scraped it.
Are these valve covers actually stomach ones?
I'm not sure. You'd have to ask the parts guy. Davis just welded this up. This is a big boost, like Gen 1 manifold T3 that Tony's running. Davis was not happy with how this came out. He had to pen it or something. Just because it kept cracking on him. This is the second time he's welded this thing, so hopefully it can last just one more season. And then Tony can get a cool manifold, but for now, we're trying to run this bad boy.